Hi, this is Pastor Ken. Now in this video I want to share with you a mindset. So it starts with a problem. So you all know how to use the pivot table. I assume you know how to. Now we have given an order list, and from here we want to find out the total quantity sold that is above 200 units for each of the product. So what does that mean? 20 this figure here, right? 20 million 551,000 511,000 20 million. So what does that mean? So it's like here order, and over here we want to do a filter. Click on this here, choose the button and click OK, and we do a sum of just that. That is what it means, 20,511,000. Okay, that's great. Now however, I'm not interested in all the units, so that is below 200. Only those are greater than. Then I have to do another filtering, which is here, greater than 200. Okay, so now the value become 16 million something. Okay, 16 million. So now, can pivot table do that? Change value equals no. It's just this is they only do a filter after the summarize. So we want to count when when they start all along the way they aggregate it. So it has to be something like this, right? Click on this and then change this and so on. So how do you do this? Is well, since pivot table cannot, so how about Power Pivot or Power BI? Well, yes, and that begins the things. So did I got it solved correct? Did I solve it the first time? No. Actually, I want to share with you is this mindset. You need to, if you want to excel before 50 or 40, then whenever you see some error, so I first try out this thing, calculate DAX functions, and I have, oh, maybe I'll put a filters expressions greater. No, that's not work. So that's one. So, well, you can say I cannot, but you can also say I not yet, and then I'll try another one. I cannot use the maybe some syntax error or some typo error, but I check there's no typo error, so it's not the issue. So I go over here and check this. I'll try another one, count X, and I start to do some what do you call that, some research, and I find out yeah, something like to with count if, but they basically give me some other method as well. I also discover the best practice. Well, it's better to use count rows and count than count. So I tried that out again. No, it doesn't work for the count rows as well and count X. And when I tried this thing, it gave me pass. But when it put it into the visual, the matrix, it gave me this correct rows. So yes, I cannot. And guess what? I do a further research, and the fourth time I solve it. And here is the proof. Look at this. This is a whole year, and this battle. So those are greater than 200,000. And look at that. This is 300. 7 lines. Now butter, those are greater than that. Let's look at here. So basically greater than butter on the oh yeah, I gotta do the number formatting. Equals greater than. Oh yeah, I did that, yeah. So butter and the cow is for the, oh, let's see. Yeah, 40,000 the cow. Oh, I should be using the sum. Okay, so as you can see here, this is supposed to be the sum 60 million. So as you can see here, it's not. So I'm going to change that. Okay, let's see here. Okay, so let's go here, click here. Show value as no. Maybe here. No, it's actually do as a counting. Oh yeah, because it's a count number of rows. Yeah. So well, instead we don't count the. We're counting the number of transactions, so we don't really use the count. We don't really sum it. We just want to use the count. So counting is correct. Count is 40,000, right? We just want to count the number of transactions over here. Is actually find the number of transactions that the total quantity. Okay, just to change it to how to find the number of transactions that the total quantity so is above 200 unit for each product. So in other words, right, we want to, yeah, in this you just want to do accounting, so which is your count. So if that is done this, so or we can use the subtotal to represent the same meaning here. That's we got a cow A, and I'll just go to cow here, maybe here. Yeah, let's see. Yeah, that's it. See, that's a 40,000. So 40,000. So if you will just remove all the products, and we could be 307,000. So what does that mean, right? See that here? 307,954. So why this is 955 and this is 954? I leave it to you, right? Now I want to share with you. This is not showing you the solution. You have to find out yourself, right? Why is it cannot? Why cannot? And what is the way? And you have to develop this mindset to solve it yourself after you acquired a certain knowledge in Power BI. It's time for you to not spoon feed, but to discover the solution yourself. And that's where you head towards mastery level. You solve without a teacher because the teacher just can't give you the exact solution. You have to solve yourself. And when you are able to solve problems that other cannot solve, or most of them cannot solve, you put yourself in the 1% in the world. Oh no, I mean, in your expertise domain, okay? So you might not be in the world, but you're not far from there. Thanks for watching. This is about a mindset. God bless you. God bless Asia. And I thank Jesus for blessing me with a resilient mindset, a problem solving mindset, excellence. And I wish you excel before 50 or 40.